Hi there! Welcome to our channel. Learning languages by listening and practicing. Let's start.
Scenario 1. Initial consultation with the buyer.
Welcome. I'm glad you're considering my assistance in finding your dream home. To get started, what specific features are you looking for in a property?
Thank you. We're looking for a 3-bedroom house with a spacious backyard, preferably in a quiet neighborhood.
Great. And what's your budget range for this purchase?
We're aiming for something around $500,000.
Perfect. Are there any specific locations you have in mind, or are you open to exploring different neighborhoods?
We have a few preferences, but are open to suggestions. We want to consider both the features of the house and the community it's in.
Excellent. Let me gather some listings that match your criteria, and we can start exploring potential options. When it comes to negotiation, are there any deal breakers or non-negotiable terms for you?
We're pretty flexible, but a home inspection is a must for us. We want to ensure the property is in good condition.
Understood. We'll keep that in mind as we progress. Now, let's dive into the exciting process of finding your ideal home.
Scenario 2. Presenting the offer to the seller.
Good news! We've found a property that matches your criteria. Before we present an offer, let's discuss the negotiation strategy. What price range are you comfortable starting with?
Considering the market and the property's value, we were thinking of starting with an offer of $480,000.
That's a reasonable starting point. Are there any specific terms or contingencies you'd like to include in the offer?
We're thinking of a standard 30-day closing period, and we'd like to include a home inspection contingency to address any potential issues.
Sounds good. I'll draft the offer with those terms and present it to the seller's agent. We may need to be prepared for a counteroffer, so we can adjust our strategy accordingly. How flexible are you on the closing date?
We prefer 30 days, but we can go up to 45 days if needed.
Noted. Let me work on this and keep you updated on the negotiation progress.
Scenario 3. Counter-offer discussion with the seller.
The seller has responded to our initial offer. They've countered at $490,000 with a 40-day closing period. How do you want to proceed?
That's not too far off. We can consider meeting in the middle at $485,000, and we're comfortable with a 35-day closing period.
That's a reasonable counteroffer. I'll communicate this to the seller's agent and emphasize the value you see in the property. Additionally, they've agreed to address any concerns raised during the home inspection. Are you satisfied with that?
That's great news. We appreciate their willingness to address the inspection findings. Let's proceed with the counteroffer and see if we can reach an agreement.
Sounds like a plan. I'll convey your counteroffer and keep you updated on the negotiation progress. If there's anything specific you'd like me to focus on, please let me know.
Thanks for your assistance. We trust your expertise in navigating this process.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.